5 seconds. Start. Where the report of the second investigation is submitted to a magistrate other than the magistrate who has already taken cognizance of the first case. It is up to the prosecuting agency or the accused concerned to take necessary action by moving the appropriate superior court to have the two cases tried together. Stop. The magistrate themselves may take action suo moto. Stop. In the instant case, the prosecution did not act with any oblique motive or out of any malice by submitting a charge sheet to the Delhi court and by withdrawing the case in the Ambala court. Stop. In the charge sheet filed in the Delhi court, it was expressly mentioned that a case had been filed in the Delhi court against Mehra and others, and therefore it was not necessary to prosecute Mehra in the Ambala court. Stop. The court granted its permission for the withdrawal of the case. Stop. Where the conspiracy discovered later is found to cover a much larger canvas of broader ramifications. It cannot be equated with the earlier conspiracy, which covered a smaller field of narrower dimensions. Stop. In the present case, the conspiracies which are the subject matter of the two cases cannot be said to be identical, though the conspiracy which is the subject matter of the first case may perhaps be said to have turned out to be part of the conspiracy which is the subject matter of the second case. Stop. When investigation commenced in first information report number RC4 of 1976, apart from the circumstance that the property involved was the same, the link between the conspiracy to cheat and to misappropriate and the conspiracy to dispose of the stolen property was not known. Stop. A comparison of the two first information report coupled with the several facts and circumstances show that the conspiracy which was the subject matter of the second case could not be said to be identical with the conspiracy which was the subject matter of the first case. Stop. The conspirators were different. Stop. Malik and Mehra alone were stated to be the conspirators in the first case, while the three Narang brothers were alleged to be the principal conspirators in the second case. Stop. The objects of the two conspiracies were different. Stop. The alleged object of the first conspiracy was to obtain possession of the pillars from the court by cheating and to misappropriate them. Stop. The alleged object of the second conspiracy was the disposal of the stolen property by exporting the pillars to London. Stop.